Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and doing a quick hardware inspection. Update the Switch 2 OS to the latest release because power management fixes often ship there. Next, look inside the USB-C port and Joy-Con rails for dust or corrosion. Debris raises discharge. Once done, plug in the official charger and charge to 100% so you have a stable baseline. Make sure to note battery percentage and runtime before continuing. That helps you measure improvement. Now, you adjust system settings to reduce drain. Lower display brightness to around 30–50% and enable adaptive brightness so the screen scales automatically. The panel is the biggest power draw. Turn off background downloads and suspend Wi-Fi or Bluetooth when not needed, and disable motion controls or HD rumble that pull current. Then shorten the sleep timer to 5–10 minutes and disable non-essential notifications. These steps cut both active and standby consumption and reveal whether hardware repair is finished by addressing hardware and validation. If the battery is swollen or shows rapid capacity loss, replace it or the USB-C power board. Poor cells and charging circuitry cause short runtimes. Calibrate by doing 2 full discharge and full charge cycles to reset percentage reporting. Once complete, test with a different official charger and dock to rule out accessories. If you still see abnormal drain, perform a factory reset as a last resort. If that fails, contact service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.